Okay, so this is another S-shaped machine, okay? This one also, the ultrasound combined with the RF, but this one is the 30K body cavitation, so it's going to be stronger, okay? 30K is going to be stronger than the 40K, okay? So for this one, we can choose the ultrasound level and also the RF level. This one is automatically count up in 30 minutes, okay? So for this one, again, we're going to apply some of the gel on your belly. Okay, and now we can start using this, okay? This one, when you hold it, it's going to be so comfortable because of the design. It's really suitable for our humans' hands, okay? So we'll do it like this. So the RF is the radio frequency right now. It's helped me to regenerate my collagen, reducing my stretch mark, and also help me to find back my elasticity of my skin. And in the meanwhile, the body cavitation is helped me to melting my fat cells, okay? And will also allow my lymphatic system to process the excess fat cells, okay? And then it will come out of your body in the forms of urine, okay? So for this one, can give you the very quick result, okay? You can see the result very quick, very fast, okay? Like this. Your left and right, up and down or rolling, and also in your waistline, you can do like go in, go in, go in.